Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Transcend 265BH. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification because we have a lot of new videos coming your way. Now, let's get started. Okay, we're out here on the outdoor entertainment space, and there are some 2024 updates out here, including the color of this Transcend. This is the updated white color out here. As you can tell, it is absolutely gorgeous. Also out here, we do have the indoor-outdoor speaker system. With some of the 2024s, we've been noticing a trend that they've been doing away with the indoor-outdoor speakers, but this specific model does have them. So if you're looking at some units in the Grand Design line, just check with your dealer and the specific model you're looking at to see if it does come with that speaker system, because some don't, and it just changes from unit to unit, as you can tell with this Transcend. Also out here in your entertainment space, we do have dual entry doors, and these doors are the G-Class all glass doors. These are absolutely beautiful and reflective, so you can see yourself coming in, but at the top also gives you a little bit of space to see inside, which I love. Out here we do have our LED strip. This doesn't go the whole span of the camper as some other ones do. This is just a smaller strip, but this strip is absolutely mighty. It is plenty of light, so if it is dark out here, it's gonna illuminate this whole space, so you don't have to worry about that at all. We also have our awning out here. This awning does cover your main entry door that does go into your living space. So if you want a little bit of shade out here, you can just pull that out and you have a nice shaded area. Now let's check out the storage. We're in the pass-through storage space at the front of your camper, and as you can see, this storage is super open, giving you lots of room to put all of your items in. We also have this nice flooring in here. This does match your floor inside, and it is very easy to clean, so if things get a little dirty at the campground, you can easily wipe this out. We also have a couple lights in here, and over on the other side, we do have our convenience bay with your battery disconnect and all the other plugins you're gonna need at the campground. But this Transcend actually has a little more storage space, so let's check that out. In the back of your 265BH, we have this huge storage space. And as you can tell, the BH stands for bunkhouse. So this room is right under your bunks in the rear of your camper. So Grand Design has really maximized all of that extra space and given you room to put all of your stuff. This is perfect for a couple huge luggage bags or anything else you want to put in the rear of your camper. It also has this easy to clean out floor, and it has an electrical outlet so you can plug some things up back here as well. Now let's check out the inside. Right beside of your main entry door, we do have our control panel. Right here is this control area with your main light switch and your controls for your awning and the one side of your camper, as well as some other light switches right here. Below that, we have our indoor-outdoor speaker system. This is where you control all your music or your radio that you want to hear both inside and outside. Also, beside of this, we do have our entertainment space. We have this TV that is on a swivel, so no matter where you want to watch it in the camper, that can easily move out and switch around so everybody can watch that TV. Down below that, we have this massive counter space. This is perfect if you want to have a buffet style for your family with lots of plates right here. You can easily set those there and room for all of that. Down below, we have some drawers and some storage down here. I'm gonna open one of these up and just let y'all see. In there, you have plenty of room for board games or other stuff you wanna put in there. Now, let's check out the rest of the kitchen. Right beside your entertainment space, you do have the rest of your kitchen area. In the kitchen, you have your typical 3-burner stovetop with a splash guard. And down below is a 2024 upgrade. Instead of having your oven below, they've given you these massive storage drawers. These are perfect for your pots and pans, and you have 2 of them with plenty of storage space. And I know you're thinking, well, if they put those down where my oven's supposed to be, where am I gonna cook my turkey on Thanksgiving? Do not worry, because above that, we do have our convection microwave, and this actually doubles as an air fryer. So that'll open up the rest of your counter space, because you're not gonna have to take that air fryer to the campground with you any longer, because it's all in one. Above that, we do have this open storage space. This is perfect for your spices or maybe some other things you're gonna want while you're cooking at your stove. We have some storage on both sides, perfect for cups or maybe some plates and bowls. You also have open counter space back here with an electrical outlet, so now that you don't have to take your air fryer, You can bring a margarita machine or maybe a coffee maker, and that can easily go back in that little corner back there, kind of out of the way. We also have this farmhouse style sink. This sink is huge and plenty of room in here for you to do all your dishes. And they've given you this retractable nozzle. This also makes it easier to do your dishes in your camper. Down below might be my favorite part. This is a huge storage area right here. This is perfect for your cleaning supplies. You could put one of those small little brooms down here, or even a trash can so you can throw all your stuff away under your sink. Also in your kitchen area, we do have this skylight giving you a little bit of natural lighting in your kitchen. And if you're cooking and it gets a little smoky in here, we do have this ventilation fan so you can easily suck all that smoke out and you're not gonna have to keep it in your camper with you. Now, let's check out the living space. Before we check out the one slide in our camper, I did want to show you guys that these LED light strips in here, these are a 2024 trend that we're seeing in a lot of the new Grand Design units. These are seamless lights. They go over the seams in your camper and just really brighten up the space in here. I love this change, and they're starting to add these into more units. So if you've seen some of our previous videos, and I'm sure they'll be in some future videos too, so keep an eye out for that. Now, moving on to our slide, we have our Furrion fridge over here. This fridge is massive. Plenty of space for all your foods and your frozen items such as ice cream or popsicles. Down below your fridge, you do have your pet drawer. Right now, it is just an open drawer. You can add on some inserts that make it a nice little area to put your food and your water for your pets. Also in the side, we do have our theater seats. These seats are super comfortable and they do recline, giving you a nice seating area for all your guests. We also have cup holders in here, and if I'm correct, yes, this also folds out, giving you a nice space with room back here for some plates if you want to eat dinner, and a couple more cup holders right here. And back here we do have an electrical outlet, so if you want to charge your phone while you're sitting watching TV, you can easily do that. Now, let's check out the bunk area. In the back of your Transcend, we have this great bunkhouse area. Back here we do have extra seating for your guests. We have this sofa right here, perfect if your guests just want to sit back here and relax and watch a movie, or it also rolls out into another sleeping space. This is perfect for guests who want to take a nap, or if all the kids want to bunch up right here and watch a movie in your entertainment space, this is a perfect area to do that. Now, let's check out all the storage. We have plenty of storage in this area for all the kiddos. They're going to be spending most of their time back here, most likely, so they need a place to store all of their stuff. Walking up to the bunkhouse, we do have these drawers under the steps, and up here we have two large cubby holes, perfect for them to stuff their bags in. Or right here as well, we do have these hooks, so if they want to throw their backpacks up there after a long school day, they have space to do that. And they also have a closet area back here. We have a nice little mirror just so that they can see themselves if they want to get ready in the morning. And behind that mirror, they can hang up all of their clothes back here before they want to go to bed. Now, let's check out the bunks. In the bunkhouse, we do have these two large roomy bunks. These can fit easily two small children back here in both of the bunks. So if you want to have a big sleepover with all the grandkids, they can easily pile in here and have a great weekend. We also have two privacy curtains back here. So if people are in the living room watching a movie, but the kids are ready for bed, they can easily zip those around and just have darkness back here and go to sleep. We also have lights in both of the bunks, so if they're reading a book back here, maybe on their tablets, they have lights to do that. We also do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port back here, so if they want to charge their phones, their tablets, or other devices, they can do that back here as well. Now, let's check out the bathroom. In this Transcend, you have this huge pass-through bathroom. This bathroom is massive. You can have multiple people walking in and out of here, and it's not gonna get congested back here. This door is super wide. It gives you a lot of space for people to easily come and go. We also have plenty of counter space back here. As you can see, it goes from the sink all the way over, so you can have multiple things back here on the counter. You can have your toiletries, maybe some hairstyling tools, or your makeup back here. Also, under our sink, we do have storage right here. This is perfect for a small trash can or your toilet paper. To the side, we have these open storage spaces right here. You can put some towels, maybe some small baskets, and put some more toiletries in there. It's perfect for that. Above our sink, we do have our medicine cabinet with storage behind it, and we also have an electrical outlet right here. So if you have an electric razor or maybe some hair styling tools, you can plug those in right here and get ready. On the other side of the bathroom, We have our step to flush toilet, and right behind that we do have this open storage space right here. This is perfect for towels, toiletries, pretty much anything you're going to want in the bathroom. You can easily place that in this storage. I love this because this really utilizes this space between the wall and the shower and just gives you this beautiful storage area here. And we also have this hook right here for your robes, your towels, other things. And as you can tell, I'm standing in this massive shower. The shower does come with shelving units for your shampoo and conditioner. We also have this natural lighting above me, and we do have a removable shower head. It is dangling down here right now, but I can put it up here, easily place it there. And we also have this squeegee door. You don't have to have a shower curtain in here because they have given you this squeegee door. And what's great about this is squeegees all that water in here after your shower and keeps it right in here to go down the drain and not on your bathroom floor, which is awesome. Now, let's check out the bedroom. Back here in the bedroom, you do have your private entryway, and all around the bed you do have plenty of space to walk around, so you're not really pressed back here for room. You can walk around here very easily. They've also given you lots of storage space back in the bedroom. We have storage above me. This is perfect for your bags, or if you want to fold up some clothes and put them up there, you can do that as well. We also have storage on both sides with a hanging rod for your clothes that you want hung up. You also have a drawer down below, perfect for those socks, underwear, other small items in there. And on both sides, we do have a USB and a USB-C port for your tablets, your phones, or if you have other electrical items you do want to plug in. There's also just electrical outlets there as well. We also have a light behind me that easily presses and turns on and off. So if you're ready for bed, you want to easily turn that off, you can do that. So if you're interested in this unit, give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.